Who are you working for? What's up, guys? My name is Matthew Miles, and growing up, I had this intense passion for music, for art, for photography, for video, and I knew that I wanted to implement all of those things later on in life to make money for me. I wanted to use all of them collectively and together to create awesome, amazing videos, artistic presentations, sweet photography. I wanted to do that to make money. And at that point in time, it wasn't exactly the easiest dream to accomplish. I went to college for it, and I think I took 5 different classes. Each were a semester long on Adobe Photoshop alone. The reason I did that was because I quickly realized the massive potential that Photoshop had to create professional quality designs, right? It just dwarfed the rest of the competition out there. And it dwarfed the competition because it was user friendly. It was easy to use. And you could do anything that you wanted with it. As an artist with an imagination, you want to be able to picture it in your head and then make it happen in the program, right? Most of the other programs out there, it was hard to do that with. So the reason I say that is because today I'm here to tell you about ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is this new website developer program out there. You use it to make websites, sales funnels, that is sweeping the internet. And I have personally tried so many different website building programs, software packages, whatever. And to be honest, most of them suck, right? And the reason that they suck, the reason that I think they suck, is because I'm comparing them all to Photoshop. And because they're not user-friendly. They are not easy to use. You see something in your head, you want your page to look like this, you try to go make it, and it's impossible. You end up spending weeks on the phone with the tech guys, and it never comes out the way that you want it to come out. Good news, ClickFunnels is like drag and drop, upload, photo, video, whatever. It is so fun, so easy to use. It comes down to this. Do you want your business to succeed? Do you want to build a badass site for yourself, to promote you, to promote your products, to promote your brand, to promote your business? If you do, ClickFunnels is what you need to start learning today. Seriously, this software is going to change the world. It's going to change the way that people view the internet. And even better news, you can get a free 14-day trial today. Mack and I put this link up so that we could start telling people about this program. I'm so excited about it as a designer who has 15 years experience in designing stuff digitally now. This is the first program that I've ever used where I'm like, this is fun. This is easy. Holy smokes, I can picture it in my head. I can go get the photos, I can talk to the client, I can bring it all home and put up the site, the sales funnel, in an hour, less. It's so easy. All right, if a 14-day trial isn't good enough for you, this gets even better. For the first 100 people that sign up underneath us, all you gotta do is click the link to sign up. I'm gonna choose 5 random people out of those 100, and I will work with you for free and design a custom logo for you or for your business or for your product, whatever you want it to be. You can go to any of our pages, TheMattandMackShow, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and check out the logo that I just made for these pages. I sketched it out by hand. I took a picture with my iPhone. I threw it onto my MacBook Pro, put it in Photoshop, and put some cool effects on it. I worked on it for, I think, 3 or 4 hours one day and made this fun logo. and I put it in my ClickFunnels account. No sweat. Uploaded in like 2 seconds. It's badass. Anyways, I am going to pick 5 people and for free create a logo, whatever you want it to look like, whether it's custom hand drawn, I can do that. Whether it's photography, we can do that for you too. That's just the little bonus on this deal. Seriously, you just need to go get ClickFunnels because it is so cool. It's so fun to use. This is an opportunity to change the future of your business. This is an opportunity to get ahead of the curve and just shape the future of your life by doing this. Opportunity to make money, opportunity to shape your future, opportunity to change your business, to change your business's future. Like, I cannot say enough good things about this. I'm going to quit rambling though. Click on the link below the video. Enter your email to get added to our list. Sign up for ClickFunnels because I don't know why you haven't already. Have a good day.